Good afternoon. My name is Michael Randolph, and I'm with the Center for Nonprofit and Community Development. We offer an array of different types of training for nonprofits and small for-profit businesses. Today, I'm going to be talking about our online in-depth professional grant writing development class. This class is from 4 to 8 weeks. Now, what we do here is provide a comprehensive overview of effective grant development techniques. We focus on finding the best fit for the funding source, curating innovative programs, and planning for funding sustainability. While most grant writing workshops treat program development and evaluation as separate from grant writing of the proposal, this class will teach students the relationship between the overall program planning and all of the strategic communications, including grant writing. Each student will learn to stop writing the grant and to start learning the story. There are 3 lessons. Lesson 1 deals with program development and program design. Participants in this workshop learn how to create a fundable program, including how to do budgets and know the terminology used. Lesson 2 deals with researching government, corporate, and foundation funding opportunities. And we do this by using a strategic planning research approach. There are over 10,000 funders. And of those 10,000 funders, they gave last year over $900 billion. So this section deals with where is the money and how to find the money. The next section deals with researching related to the statement of the problem or the problem statement. In this section, you'll learn about quantitative and qualitative data and the use of statistical significant survey data sets and formative and summative evaluation strategies. This workshop will provide an intense and interactive grant proposal development experience where you will learn the proposal writing process in its entirety. In addition to that, you will learn how to prepare an RFP, an RFQ, concept papers, and letters of intent, plus others. For more information, please email us at Center for Nonprofit and Community at gmail.com. Those individuals that should take this class should be either individuals that are running nonprofits and they want to increase their income by learning the art of writing a grant, or individuals that just want to make money on the side. And when I say that, you can make anywhere from $100 up to $10,000 per grant, depending upon the amount of the grant and depending upon the amount of work you have to put into the grant. So again, I want to thank you for allowing me to give this presentation. I'm looking forward to those individuals that want to take it to the next level and increase their chances of bringing in money to their nonprofit in a new generation approach. to funding that nonprofit, and to those who want to create an opportunity to earn extra income.